Because it is a one-dose effective vaccine, these doses will be focused on those who are in the hard-to-reach areas. That is to say, the riverine areas, desert communities, security compromised areas, and also the elderly. This is because these are the people who may find it difficult to leave their homes to the health facility for the second dose after taking a first one. So we're going to be optimizing these doses that we've received for these people that are usually vulnerable and live in the most hard-to-reach areas. As a result of the leadership provided by the Presidential Steering Committee, the Federal Ministry of Health, MPH-CDA, in collaboration with our partners, we have mapped out the best strategies in targeting different segments of our population because of the vulnerability in the age and geographic constraints. We are collaborating with the Ministry of Finance, Budget and National Planning through Degree 3 project to map out using geographic information systems to understand where this population exists so that we can also devise ways of reaching them. Let me emphasize that the Nigerian government is committed to safe, equitable and effective COVID-19 vaccination of all eligible persons in the country. The availability of different vaccine brands does not in any way mean that some categories of people are being selected for high-quality vaccines while others are targeted for low-quality vaccines. All COVID-19 vaccines approved by the World Health Organization and NAFDAC are safe and can deliver adequate protection against COVID-19 against COVID-19. You are aware from all of the data that is coming from different countries that COVID-19 vaccines protect against severe forms of the disease, hospitalization, and deaths. The different vaccines have exactly the same ability to protect against the disease. The different proportions or percentages in terms of efficacy depends on the type of clinical trials and the populations that have been assessed. However, these vaccines have been proven to protect against COVID-19. So please take the opportunity of going to the designated healthcare centers to get your vaccines.
Of note, Nigerian response to COVID-19 pandemic has been widely acclaimed by many as one of the most successful so far in the world, and was ranked 4th among the top 10 most effective response to COVID-19. WHO had on many occasions commended the government of Nigeria, particularly the Presidential Steering Committee on COVID-19, on the successful completion of the first phase of the COVID-19 vaccination rollout. Nigeria preparation for the second phase of COVID-19 vaccination, involving more resources and logistics, is highly commendable.
And importantly, through you, the media, is to say to all people in Nigeria. Last week we received the Moderna vaccines, today the Johnson & Johnson vaccines. Next week we will receive more AstraZeneca vaccines. They are coming in on a regular basis. This is the time to step up and get vaccinated, to take your responsibility, whether you're an individual, whether you're a religious leader, a traditional leader, or a governor, is to encourage all your people to take the vaccines as quickly and as timely as is possible in an orderly fashion. The vaccines are coming in and we must do our part.